Well, hello everyone and welcome to this Airalo tutorial for beginners. If you're planning an international trip, the last thing you want to deal with when you land is hunting down a local kiosk to buy a physical SIM card, trying to swap tiny pieces of plastic with a paper clip, or getting hit with a massive roaming bill from your home carrier. Managing connectivity across has traditionally been one of the biggest headaches for travelers. Airalo fixes this by letting you download a digital data profile known as an eSIM directly onto your smartphone before you even board your flight. Operating as a global SIM marketplace, Airalo gives you instant access to local mobile networks in over 200 countries and regions. By layering affordable prepaid data packages directly over your phone's existing cellular chip, it completely eliminates international roaming fees without forcing you to change your primary phone number. So if you want to stay connected while traveling, you can use my link down below in the description to get international mobile data with Airalo. Now, before purchasing a digital data profile, your smartphone hardware must meet two critical technical standards to ensure the network connection functions. Because eSIM technology relies on a modern microchip embedded directly into your phone's motherboard, other mobile devices cannot support virtual profiles. To ensure your device can support a digital data profile, you must audit two native hardware variables on your device right now. First, carrier lock check and hardware functionality check. For your carrier lock check, you firstly must verify that your device is completely carrier unlocked. If you purchase your phone under a structured monthly installment plan or a specific network contract from a provider, your carrier has likely restricted your device radio bands to their network alone. You can verify this in your phone's core system settings under the network status lock section, or by contacting your home provider directly to request an official unlock. And then the hardware functionality check. You must ensure your specific smartphone model supports eSIM functionality. As a general industry rule, most flagship devices manufactured after 2018, including the iPhone XR or newer, Samsung Galaxy S20 or newer, and the Google Pixel 3 or newer, possesses the necessary internal chips. You can run a quick hardware check by dialing *#06# on your phone's keypad to see if an EID number or embedded identity document appears on your screen. If it does, your phone is equipped to handle virtual data profiles. Now, with your smartphone unlocked and verified as compatible, you are ready to explore the international data marketplace. Airalo allows you to browse, purchase, and manage all your global cellular profiles from a single centralized interface on your phone. To begin, download the official Airalo application from the iOS App Store or Google Play Store, or access the marketplace via your desktop browser. Once you open the application and create your traveler account, you will arrive at the main search dashboard. The platform organizes its data offerings into three main geographic structures to match your itinerary. You have local eSIMs, regional eSIMs, and global eSIMs. For local eSIMs, this option is ideal if you're visiting a single target country, such as Japan or Italy. It connects you straight to a premier local network inside that specific nation for maximum speed and the lowest cost. For regional eSIMs, this option is built for multi-country travel, such as an island hopping trip through Europe or a multi-stop vacation across Latin America. It provides a single data profile that automatically switches networks as you cross borders within that zone. And then you have the global eSIMs. This option is tailored for long-term international travelers or complex business trips covering multiple continents, offering data, text, and voice coverage across dozens of countries worldwide. Type your destination into the search bar to view the available prepaid packages. Airalo lists these options transparently based on two explicit variables: data allowance ranging from 1 GB up to unlimited, and validity period typically lasting between 7 days and 30 days. Select the specific package that closely matches your data habits and trip duration, then complete your payment securely using a credit card, PayPal, or digital wallet. Now, once you complete your purchase, the platform mints your digital profile. The next phase involves installing this virtual credential onto your phone's internal storage system, which you should ideally complete at home the day before you travel while connected to a stable home Wi-Fi network. So you'll need to open your application profile, locate your My eSIMs tab, and select your newly purchased package. Airalo offers an automated installation utility that handles the heavy lifting. Click the prominent button labeled Direct Installation to launch your phone's native cellular setup engine. A system prompt will pop up on your screen asking for permission to add a new cellular plan to your device. Simply tap through the confirmation windows to let the background script write the profile. If your specific operating system does not support direct profile writing, the app will display an alternative setup wizard. 1. Choose an alternative setup method. This could be manual or visual. If the direct option fails, select either the QR code or manual setup method inside the app. And the next, the capture or copy your credentials, which is for data generation. Reveal the unique QR matrix code on a separate screen or copy the specific SMTP plus server address and activation strings directly to your clipboard, and then inject properties into device settings, also known as the system integration. Open your phone's cellular menu, select Add Data Plan, and scan the code using your camera or paste the copied strings directly into the network server fields. With your virtual phone written into your phone's memory, you must configure your device's internal dual SIM matrix to handle traffic properly. This step ensures you use your cheap international data while keeping your primary line active for crucial incoming text alerts. At this point, it's critical to emphasize that mastering this specific dual SIM configuration workflow is what completely eliminates accidental roaming fees while keeping you safely connected. So if you want to stay connected while traveling, you can use my link down below in the description to get international mobile data with Airalo. To manage these parameters, navigate to your phone system settings and open the cellular or mobile data control panel. You will now see two distinct network paths active simultaneously. Tap on your primary home network line and verify that data roaming is explicitly toggled off to block your home carrier from tracking international data usage. And then click on your newly installed travel profile. Toggle the line on and customize its display label to something highly scannable like travel data. Then locate your phone's master dual voice line and ensure it remains set to your primary home number. Change your master mobile data selection to point exclusively to your new travel data line. The final operation step occurs the exact moment your aircraft lands at your international destination. While the plane is still taxiing to the gate, you can take your device out of airplane mode to initialize your local data connection. To complete the link, open your phone's cellular settings once more, select your travel data profile, and ensure that data roaming is toggled on for this specific international line only. This allows the travel chip to actively seek out and bind with Airalo's local partner networks. Within a minute, you should see local signal bars and a data indicator like 5G or LTE. These will populate on your phone's top status menu, giving you instant internet access. To ensure you never run out of data in the middle of a trip, keep the application active in your background layout. You can open the dashboard at any time to see a real-time visual meter tracking exactly how many megabytes you have consumed and how many days remain on your validity window. If you run low on data while exploring, you do not need to install a new profile. Simply open up the app, click the top-up button on your active package, and purchase an extra data allotment that binds to your existing virtual card instantly. Transforming your phone into a global dual network connectivity hub comes down to confirming your device specifications, selecting a tailored data profile from a digital marketplace, and setting your mobile settings to prevent accidental roaming fees. By utilizing these digital profile installations to bypass physical carrier kiosks, designating your line for data usage, keeping your home line restricted to emergency text loops, and monitoring your usage meters on the go, you can completely redefine your international travel experience. So if you want to stay connected while traveling, you can go ahead and use my link down below in the description to get your international mobile data with Airalo. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.